Remember those plastic glow-in-the-dark stars you used to put on your ceiling? Well, I got something better for you. Let's look at this product. That's awesome. Cool. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the POCOCO Galaxy Star Projector. That's right, this is the projector that shoots stars and galaxies on your ceiling. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the POCOCO Galaxy Projector. Effortless peace, seamless sleep. First thing in the box is this paperwork right here. A bunch of information on the back on setting it up and the different kinds of nebulas and stars and moons and galaxies and constellations there. A message from Anna. Anna is the founder and CEO. In the box we have these two diamond stars and Westerloon too. And we have the projector itself. Very, very cool. You know what we gotta do, we gotta peel this off for you guys. Looks like we got some buttons here, a power button, most likely an oscillator button, and then a timer, our charger right here to plug it up, and then we got this right here, which I believe is how we put the disc in. That's awesome. And POCOCO was nice enough to send us these 2 boxes of additional discs right here, so let's check them out. Cool, so this is our solar system right here. Very awesome. Ooh, moon phase, black hole, full moon. So it looks like we've got a ton of different projections to try out and show you guys. But let's go ahead and try it out and get it set up. Come on. This is the POCOCO Galaxy Projector. Unveil the stars like never before. Experience the cosmos in stunning detail with their next generation high transparency optical lens. Featuring an industrial grade 2 million pixel lens with a 95% light transmission rate, it reveals the night sky's every nuance. The 5K Ultra HD disc lens, meticulously etched using cutting edge photolithography, brings the universe right before your eyes. Promote restful sleep with gentle lighting. Designed with your well-being in mind, the POCOCO Galaxy Nightlight is perfect for those seeking relaxation and better sleep. On their super low power 1-watt LED light source, it projects captivating starry patterns while minimizing eye strain. And it's a trendsetter in gifting, so you can choose POCOCO Star Projector Nightlight, and it's a gift that's capturing hearts across social media right now. Whether it's an anniversary surprise for your boyfriend or girlfriend, or a birthday treat for your child, it's the perfect choice. It's available in the stylish blue-pink gradient, mysterious black, pure white, and sparkling silver, so there's always one that's right for you. And they've got a diverse disc selection, exploring an array of disc series sets from constellation and starry skies to the Milky Way and planetary discs. This lamp allows you to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the galaxy. They've got curated exclusive disc sets for kids to spark their curiosity and exploration of the universe, and they're continuing to design more fun discs throughout time. Versatility for your convenience. You can enjoy the flexibility of a 30-degree adjustable angle, 2 power supply options, that's battery or plug, and 3 timer settings, 15, 30, or 60 minutes, and a disc rotation function. Their design enhances your user experience, so you can trust in the quality and their professional after-sales team that's ready to assist you with any question or concerns you may have. So, give it a shot. POCOCO, this thing is awesome. It's such a vibe. Great job. This thing is definitely cool. It sets the mood. It's a good time. Mwah! We want to give a huge shout out to POCOCO for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.